So yeah, the official way is actually to take the whole front bumper off. That's not what I'm gonna do because that's gonna take uh, forever, and I really don't want to actually go and take the whole front bumper off. So for at least for the driver's side, I'm gonna show you what I did. So first things first, I took the box for air filter off. Actually, that was a good time for me to wash off my K&N filter, so that was a good thing. But anyway, so it's just one 10 millimeter bolt that you take it off, and then if you do that, hopefully I can actually put this light up here. If you do that, then this whole box kind of like moves around and gives you some space to stick your hand in. So then you can stick your hand in. There's a cover, a plastic cover here that you just turn it counterclockwise and you take it off counterclockwise. Yes. Once there, you'll have access to the DS3 headlight. Now this is the DS3 headlight bulb that I've taken off. I will show you how to take it off and put it back on, but basically this is the model. Once you take off the cover, you'll see that. Now I'm gonna actually put the light back here so that you can have a better view of what's happening. Just give me a second. There we go. So you see that green connector down there? That's actually what goes inside this connector. So basically, let's see if I can actually show you this. How about that? Yeah, so this Osram unit is going to be in there. Now the super hard, so once you open the cap, it's easy to disconnect this green one. It's just use like a little screwdriver, or I have like a little plastic tool. Screwdriver would work as well. Just put it here and push it down. It will actually pop off, which is the easy part. The hard part is there's going to be a clip. You see this clip, and there's another one on the other side. It took me a long time to figure out how to open them, but now that I have, let me show you how they work. Hopefully that's going to save you some time. Let me take off the HID unit with the bulb. All right, and I'm gonna stick my phone down there. It might actually, so right now what you see on the upside of your screen is the downside, but hey, this is the best I can actually do right now. All right, so you see those two prongs, right? What I want to show you here is that, right, you see how it moves? It moves in and out. When you have the HID locked in there, both of these guys are in. There's a little groove somewhere. Now let me see if there any way I can show you the groove. To unlock or to lock it back in place, this little pin and as well this little pin together, I mean, independently but together, they have to go inside, as in like towards the front of the car, and then you have to push it in. So I'm pushing it front because there's a tab stopping it here, but if you push it in front, then you can move it in. And now it's in place. And as you see, by doing that, this little clip is now inside, so it's gonna hold the HID unit in place. There's a groove in the HID, which I'll show you the groove once I'm out of this position. So it's the same with other one. To lock it, you have to, how do I do this? Does it work? No. Okay. You have to push this guy towards the front of the car and then push it in. And now it's locked. And I know it's locked because now the pin is kind of like intruding inside this hole. And if I want to show you this, the HID unit here, the bulb itself, that locking pin will go around this unit and will keep it in place.
So to unlock it, basically what you have to do is, where are you? Here. Again, you push it towards the front of the car and then move it outside. And there it is, it's out. You know, you can actually notice this area as I'm moving the pin in and out. You'll see that it sticks in and can actually hold the HID bulb in place. So now it's kind of in. So you can see the pin. Now actually